See, our today's topic is synchronous machine. So just let me write down the topic. Uh, Synchronous machine. So the topic which we are studying today is synchronous machine. Synchronous machine, if we see, it is made up of two terms, right? Synchronous and machine. So these two terms are quite significant. See, first of all, let me define it. Any rotating machine, or you can say the rotating machines that rotate at a speed, means these are rotating machine, and obviously these machines will rotate, fine, at some particular speed, and this speed is fixed, means it is fixed, it is constant. And how it is fixed? It is fixed by the supply frequency, f, and number of poles p, right? This speed is also known as synchronous speed. इसी स्पीड को जिससे ये मशीन घूमेगी, राइट, उसको हम कहते हैं सिंक्रोनस स्पीड, एंड इट इज डिनोटेड बाय एन एस. फाइन, तो ये चीज़ आपको क्लियर होगी. So this is the whole definition, that the synchronous machines are basically rotating machines that rotate at a speed which is fixed by the supply frequency and the number of poles p. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहली चीज़ कि सिंक्रोनस मशीन जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं वो क्या है बेटा? एक रोटेटिंग मशीन है, फाइन. एंड व्हेन वी कॉल दैट इट्स रोटेटिंग मशीन, तो वो कुछ पर्टिकुलर स्पीड से ही हमेशा रोटेट करेगी. इसका नाम सिंक्रोनस क्यों रखा? बिकॉज दिस सिंक्रोनस मशीन इज एक्चुअली रोटेटिंग at this speed, synchronous speed, and this synchronous speed ns is equal to 120 f by p. So this is equal to ns is equal to 120 f by p, है ना. So we are saying that this speed is fixed, और इसको फिक्स कौन कर रहा है? इसको कांस्टेंट कौन सी चीज़ें कर रही? सप्लाई फ्रिक्वेंसी और नंबर ऑफ पोल्स जो उस मशीन में प्रेजेंट हैं. ये क्लियर है? फाइन. अब हम मशीन्स इसको बोल रहे हैं, तो मशीन क्या होता है? सी, इन जनरल टर्म इफ यू सी, दैन मशीन इज़ एनीथिंग विच सिंप्लीफाइज आवर वर्क, है ना. बट अब हम इलेक्ट्रिकल में बात कर रहे हैं मशीन्स की, इलेक्ट्रिकल मशीन्स की, तो उसमें से एक वैरायटी हमारी सिंक्रोनस मशीन की भी होती है. तो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ जो यहाँ पे ध्यान रखने वाली है वो है कि सिंक्रोनस मशीन और 3-phase AC मशीन्स, 3-phase AC मशीन्स. ठीक है, इलेक्ट्रिकल में जब हम मशीन्स की बात करते हैं तो मशीन्स हमारे इन जनरल इफ़ यू टॉक, चाहे वो डीसी मशीन हो चाहे एसी मशीन हो, तो वो फर्दर आप कैसे कैटेगराइज करते हो? 2 टाइप्स में. वन इज़ जनरेटर एंड द अदर वन इज़ मोटर. जनरेटर, एज वी नो, व्हाट डज इट डू? इट कन्वर्ट्स your which form of energy? Your mechanical energy into electrical एनर्जी, है ना. अगर एसी जनरेटर है, ठीक है, तो उसका एक और नाम होता है, वी कॉल इट एसी जनरेटर इज ऑल्सो नोन एज what AC generator is also known as your alternator. ठीक है, alternator, or you can call it synchronous generator. Fine. This you can also call as synchronous generator. ठीक है, fine. So this AC generator is known as alternator and it is also known as generator. And what does it do? It simply rotates at a particular speed and generates AC voltage, 3-phase AC supply. Okay, and you all know that 3-phase supply which we get, they have certain advantages, right? They are very easy to generate, transmit and distribute. That's why we generally use 3-phase synchronous machine, right? Or 3-phase AC generators for generating the 3-phase supply. Okay, and if we talk about the motors, then what does motor do? It converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Fine, and if we talk about AC motors, they can be three-phase induction motor, and they can be three-phase synchronous motor. Again, this synchronous motor will work at speed of synchronous speed, you can say, ns, that is equal to 120 f by p. While this, if we talk about this motor, this will always work at a speed less than ns. Okay, so this is something which you need to keep in your mind. Means here rotor speed is always less than ns, and here rotor speed is equal to ns in case of synchronous motor. This is something which you need to keep in your mind. So now I think the synchronous machine chapter is quite clear to you. Once again, let's revise it. See, synchronous machine or synchronous machines can be defined as the rotating machines that rotate at a speed which is fixed by the supply frequency f and the number of poles p. This speed with which the synchronous machine rotate is known as synchronous speed, and it's mathematically written as ns is equal to 120 f by p. Fine. If we talk about three-phase AC machines, then any type of electrical machine is divided into, or it can be categorized as either generator or motor on the basis of the function which it performs. If the machine is converting mechanical energy into electrical energy, it is called AC generator.